You can increase or decrease the light of the flash as you wish. The easiest way to drag apps one place at a time. You can press and hold the photo with one finger and enter WhatsApp with the other finger and drag and drop it. Your sticker is ready. Is there a lot of noise in the background? Here is the solution. While looking at the camera during facet time, you will look like you are looking at the other person. Did you know that you can easily access the music you come across while surfing the internet? Are you constantly seeing advertisements while surfing the internet? Here is a very simple solution for you.